Hey, what's going on, everybody? Riley here from Mavic
Hey!
B, coming at you with a YouTube video about vape stuff. This vape stuff. Bada boom! TF-V12 AB Prince tank in rainbow. So, I like this tank a lot. As many of you guys know, if you've watched any of my videos in the past, I'm a big fan of the Baby B stuff. And this is the new one. And new is almost always better. So, let's see here. Break into this box. Whoo doggy! Look at that thing, boy. That thing cute. Got the nice little crown. Look at that. It's got a crown down there. Isn't that cool? Looks like a crown. Anyways, not to be misinterpreted as the crown tank. It just has a legitimate crown-looking cut in on the side. Yep, something like that. Anyways, so this is pretty much exactly the same as the TF-V12, except it's just shrunken down. Still uses the button right there, bada boom. Same fill system. That's a good jellyfish. Cody just blew a jellyfish the size of Mount Everest through the store. That was pretty nice. Yeah, this is a really nice tank. Very small. I'm kind of confused on it though because it says that it's not compatible with the Baby Beast coils, yet it looks exactly the same. The coils are virtually identical. This TFE stuff is impossible to unscrew out of the factory, but here we go. Alright. So, that's the coil. Now, if that doesn't look virtually identical to the Baby Beast coil, I don't know what does. The only difference is the way that the cotton slots are kind of cut in. These are a little bit more protruding, but it's the same size. I think that they say that it's not compatible with the Baby Beast coils, probably just so you can buy more coils. That coil is really in there. God, I can't get that thing out. Cody, give me some vape tweezers. Please. I'm about to rip some muscles. I think I got it. Swole gang.
Boy, you look like a thumb.
Anyways, that was very difficult. I think I strained every muscle in my body to get that off. But legitimately, it's the same coil. Cody, hey, will you grab me a Baby Beast coil? See if I throw this thing in there? See if it'll fit. Let's do that. I'm going to throw it at it. I'm just going to go ahead and tell you how difficult it was for me to get that coil out of there. That thing felt like it'd been welded in by my buddy Justin Stumbo. That's how. Shout out Stumbo. Stumbo
Here, let me
Kneezer.
throw it in there. Hold it.
You missed by 15 feet.
Here, let me try again. Will it fit?
It fit.
What the? Alrighty then.
So it says it's not compatible, so you can buy more coils, but hey, it works.
Look through the airflow. Make sure it's making contact with the bottom.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
I mean, as you can see, they're pretty much exactly the same. They just look a little different. Let's put the whole tank together because it might be a little bit too long. We'll see. No, it sits in there. Can't even tell the difference. So yeah, it looks like it'll work for the TFV8 Baby Beast coils. Looks like they'll work in there as well. Yeah, but as far as this coil goes, this is the Q4. It seems like the Q4 series of coils that TFV's been making, the Smok guys have been making for the TFV stuff, are my favorite in everything. So the Q4 for the TFV8 is my favorite T8 coil. The Q4 for the 12 is my favorite 12 coil. So hopefully the 12 Prince Q4 would be as good as well. For some reason, it just feels like they got the best flavor and everything. But I like them a lot. So let's break into the box. God, we've already been on this video for 5.5 minutes. That's crazy. So inside your box, extra glass as well. But this one's the regular size. It's not the bubble glass. It looks like just like a regular Baby Beast glass. It literally looks like they just made the Baby Beast, but it looks different. I think that's what they did, to tell you the truth, because I really am not seeing much differences at all, except for the way the thing looks. Inside of here, you're going to have 2 more coils. This is the this is the T12? The baby T12? Yeah. Yeah, so we got 4 coils wrapped triple parallel, it looks like, in there. See if you can see that. It's going to be a little bit crazy to see, but I promise you, it looks like there are 4 coils and they're wrapped triple parallel. So there's 12 coils technically, and it is a 0.15 best 60 to 80 watt. And then there's another one in here, which is one, oh, is that mesh? They got a mesh coil in here, Cody.
Do they really?
Yeah.
Oh, yes.
Mesh. Crazy. Absolute mad lad.
Absolute mad lad.
And this coil is rated from 40 to 80, best 60 to 70. So they did change it up a little bit. But yeah, that's pretty much all I've got for this video. The TFV12 Baby is a pretty cool tank. It pretty much is the TFV8 Baby Beast though. Not much of a difference except for the mesh coils and the way that the thing looks. Other than that, looks pretty nice. TFV8's been, or TFV Smok with the TFV stuff, been making good product for a long time, so I don't see why this one would be any different. But if you got any questions, comments, or concerns about anything in here, just make sure you leave me in the comment section below. I do appreciate you watching the video. Hope to see you in the shop sometime. Dilly dilly.